Welcome to Corby Urgent Care Centre. Our service is open 365 days a year, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you have an urgent healthcare need that is not life-threatening, you can attend the centre to be seen by one of our team. You may also be referred to us through the NHS 111 service as a pre-booked appointment, or from the ambulance service. When you arrive, please present to the reception desk and let them know if you have a pre-booked appointment. If you do not have an appointment, our reception team will ask you some basic questions to book you into the service. After we book you into the centre, you'll have an initial assessment. We aim to do this within 15 minutes of when you book in. Following this initial assessment, you'll be directed to either our injuries service, illness service, wellness hub, or observation bay. We are a busy centre and see around 76,000 patients a year. Our skilled team is made up of doctors, advanced nurses, and other allied healthcare professions. They will prioritize patients who are in the greatest need of care first, and so people who arrived after you may be seen before you. Please be patient with our teams while we assess your healthcare need and during your wait to see a practitioner. The observation bay looks a lot like a hospital ward. There are 3 bays, each with 4 beds. The team who will look after you here is made up of doctors, advanced practitioners, nurses and urgent care technicians. If your vital signs have raised a concern during your initial assessment, or you have symptoms such as chest pain, severe shortness of breath, or a serious illness, you will come to the observation bay for assessment and treatment. In the observation bay, we stabilize and manage patients who have the highest clinical need. You may also come to our observation bay through the ambulance service. Our healthcare facilities include an on-site laboratory where we can process blood tests relating to the urgent illness or injury you've come to see us about. Because we can analyze these tests on site while you are with us, it means we can assess you quickly and make appropriate treatment plans. If you're directed to our injuries service, you will see one of our injury practitioners, who can assess and manage upper and lower limb injuries, fractures, wounds, burns, and minor head injuries. Our injuries service isn't suitable for you if you have suffered a major injury or have a long bone fracture, for example to your femur, which is the thigh bone. To support our injury practitioners with diagnosis, we have a radiology department on site that can perform X-rays. This is open 7 days a week between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. We also have a plaster room, so that we can apply plaster casts if you have a fracture, or have injuries that need splinting. Our staff are trained in wound closure, which includes the use of steri-strips, glue or suturing. If you have an illness that needs urgent treatment, such as ear pain, sore throat, urinary tract infections, and abdominal pain, you will be seen by a practitioner in our illness service. We have a team of doctors and advanced clinical practitioners who will assess and treat you here. If you need specialist treatment, we have a referral process into our local hospital, which is where you'll have further assessment or investigations if necessary. Our wellness hub is open to all. We aim to provide a safe space for anyone who needs time to talk and be listened to. Usually, you'll be referred to the wellness hub by a practitioner when you attend the centre. However, anyone with mild mental health concerns or anxiety can be directed to the wellness hub. Our patient advisors have a wealth of experience from many different healthcare backgrounds. They provide non-judgmental advice and will listen to you and offer you support. Depending on your circumstances, you could be signposted from the wellness hub to other specialist services. Corby Urgent Care Centre can care for your minor injury or illness that is not life-threatening, and can support you with any low-level mental health needs. NHS 111 can help if you have an urgent medical problem and you're not sure what to do. If appropriate, they can book you an appointment slot to be seen at Corby Urgent Care Centre.